Hey guys! Today I am here at Magic Kingdom for the sole purpose of taking you to one of my favorite lunch spots in the park. Today we're going to go check out Columbia Harbour House. This has been a favorite of mine and Matthew's for many years to go if you want a lighter bite in the park. I feel like Magic Kingdom is a little hit and miss on food for me personally. I mean, they have a lot of good fried options, I guess, and there's always burgers and hot dogs and all that type of stuff. You can find that on just about every corner. However, it's a little more difficult to find a healthier bite. So Columbia Harbour House is a good one. Pico's Bill is a good one. You can get bowls there, tacos, whatnot. But Columbia Harbour House, that's where we're going today. And I'm going specifically for the salmon dish, which I've had many, many times. So I'm gonna go have that. I'm gonna mobile order today, I believe, because this is something that I have had many times before, so I know that it's okay for me. So I'm gonna order that. It usually comes with rice and green beans. And I do also want to tell you guys about a past favorite that we had. We used to always get a tuna fish sandwich here. And that, for some reason, always hit the spot when we were in the parks. And they took it off the menu. I don't remember how long ago they took it off the menu, but we were so disappointed when they did. If you remember the tuna fish sandwich, let me know in the comments below. It was always a favorite, always hit the spot. I couldn't eat it anymore now, but I do hate that they don't have it anymore because my husband still loves it. So let's go into Magic Kingdom. I have no idea what the crowds look like today other than what's behind me here. We'll see, but we are headed straight for Columbia Harbour House because it is lunchtime. Let's go eat. Alright, I stopped just inside the park here to place my mobile order. So I ordered the salmon, as I said, and I got a double side of rice because I just don't feel like the green beans today. Forgive me. No greens, sorry. My arrival window is in about 10 minutes, so I'm going to start making my way back there. This view never gets old. There's a stage show going on outside of the castle right now. Alright, I'm headed back towards Columbia Harbour House, which is right across from Haunted Mansion. It's a little crowded out here, but not the worst I've ever seen. I am here on what is today? Thursday? So, not too bad. Weekends are always worse. We are in Liberty Square. We're about to turn the corner to the right here, and then Columbia Harbour House is going to be right up here on our right. There it is, straight ahead. Y'all, I am here now at Columbia Harbour House, and I have found a table in a nice quiet corner, which is very refreshing because it's warm outside, so it's nice to have a little bit of AC for lunch. I was a little concerned while I was waiting for my mobile order because I saw a lot of people leaving and going outside with their trays, so I was thinking that there was going to be no seating available, but there were actually several seats. So. Alright, I ordered off of the gluten allergy menu, and you can do that through mobile order. My order came in on a purple tray from a chef. He asked if I had any questions. I said no because I've had this before. I ordered the salmon and I got double rice instead of the green beans today. So it's a lot of rice. I'm probably not going to eat all this rice. But it looks pretty good. Nice juicy piece of salmon. Let's see how it tastes. That's actually very good today. The seasoning is on point. It seems like they just used some salt and pepper. It's not overcooked. It's very juicy. I'm impressed. I have come in here and I've had dry salmon before, so I mean, it's not unusual. It is theme park food, so you know, they're cooking for lots of people. It could be different because I ordered it off the allergy menu, so it is made fresh in a different area of the kitchen, but very impressed with this. And the rice, of course, is rice. It's just kind of white, sticky jasmine rice. So this restaurant is a good option if you're looking for something a little bit on the healthier side. I do believe you can find like salads and stuff like that in some of the other quick service restaurants. But if you're not looking for a sit-down meal in Magic Kingdom, this is a really solid option. They do still have plenty of like fried food options. There's plenty of chicken fingers, and I think they have like a fried seafood platter, some sandwiches, stuff like that. But this salmon is a great option if you're looking for something a little bit more on the healthy side. The restaurant hours listed today were 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. I could be wrong about this, but I thought that they used to only be open until like through lunch, like they closed at 4 or 5 o'clock. I could be very wrong about that. That's entirely possible, but maybe it's just that I've always thought of it as like a lunch spot because I've never come here for dinner before. It's always been a lunch location. So that could be the issue. I'm just thinking that it's a lunch spot, but apparently now it is open for dinner as well, if that wasn't always the case. So that's good to know that that's also a dinner option. Alright y'all, I finished up with lunch in Magic Kingdom. I have exited. Went in with the sole purpose of having lunch, and that's what I did, and now I'm back out. Lunch was great. The price has definitely gone up as with everything else. So the total cost for my salmon and rice meal was $15.75. I cannot actually remember what it used to be because it has been a little while since I got it, but it was good nonetheless. Definitely hit the spot for lunch today. If you're looking for somewhere in Magic Kingdom to go get a nice healthier lunch, or even if you just want some seafood, I did scope out some tables around me a little bit, kind of gave them a little side eye, see what they're like, hey, what y'all eating? I saw the lobster roll and it looked pretty good. So if a lobster roll is your thing, I'd be interested in hearing your experience if their version of a lobster roll is good. It looks like a classic version, but I'm not real well versed on lobster rolls, so I wouldn't know. But anyways, I have actually stopped here. Ooh, it's windy. I've actually stopped here in the middle of my tour of seeing the Easter eggs at the deluxe resorts in this area. So I am about to continue on my tour, which will have been last week's video. So hopefully you guys were able to catch that one. So I'm going to continue on my way here. Oh, the monorail stopped right above me, look. It's waiting its turn. If you guys are looking to plan a trip at any point to Disney or even Universal all-inclusive resorts, cruises, major hotel brands, any of those things, I would love to be your resource and help you out. My email and a quote request form are linked in the captions below. And thank you guys for following along on my little lunch break today. I appreciate you all. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you're liking the content. It helps me grow. I will see you guys on the next video. Cheers to the magic!